Hi and welcome to this week ahead analysis video brought to you by Blueberry. Key headlines this week are going to include the China 5-year loan prime rate. Are we going to see China add stimulus or not? Most likely they will not, but still something that traders need to be aware of. On Wednesday we have German manufacturing PMI followed by UK services PMI and the US services PMI. Friday, traders will be looking towards Tokyo Core CPI as this is expected to rise to 3.2%, as well as UK retail sales minus 0.4%. Dollar Swiss has just breached the 0.81 handle and looks likely to continue to the downside as the US dollar opened weaker after Trump announced on Truth Social that there could be some conditions to the tariffs. This could be a factor of why the US dollar is selling off at the moment. We know that the market is moving more towards the Swiss franc right now, and we do have the Swiss National Bank chairman speaking at the end of the week, possible intervention on the cards. US dollar yen is now trading at 140.50. A break of this level could be quite significant to this market. We spoke heavily of how the Japanese yen could be the strongest currency this year, and it's proving to be one of the strongest. If this breaks, we could see a move down towards 137.50, or we may see some kind of rebound if the market believes this area is a little bit overextended. We'll have to see how the dollar fares up towards the end of this trading week. Oil prices rebounded last week and the week prior. We saw a rebound from that $57.50 area, with prices now trading above the $63 previous week's high. Ongoing negotiations between Iran and the US over nuclear energy is something that needs to be watched closely here, as the two nations are heavy producers of oil. If we see any kind of restrictions being put on Iran, that could see oil prices rise in the short term. Gold smashed through higher of that 61.8 or the 161.8 Fibonacci extension level, and is now trading towards $3,400 after the US dollar weakened again significantly. If this is a continuation, then we may see prices continue even higher for gold as central banks continue to accumulate the asset. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed the analysis, please follow and subscribe for more.